In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Lovable project to GitHub and open it in Cursor AI for local development. We're going to walk through the full flow from your project inside Lovable all the way to having that repository opened and ready to work with in Cursor. This is a useful process if you want to review your code in more detail, run terminal commands, or continue building locally in a more advanced development environment. First, go to your Lovable project and open the project menu. Inside that menu, look for the option labeled Export to GitHub and click it. This step sends your project from Lovable to a newly created GitHub repository. Depending on your setup, this may take a few moments, so give it a second to finish if needed. Once the export is complete, your project will now exist as a repository on GitHub, which makes it much easier to manage version control and continue development outside the browser. Next, go to GitHub and copy the URL of the repository that was just created. Make sure you copy the full repository link, since this is the address Cursor will use to clone the project onto your machine. If you're not sure which link to copy, just use the main repository URL shown near the top of the repository page. Having the correct link here is important because it ensures Cursor connects to the right project. After that, open Cursor AI. In the top menu, click File, then choose Clone Repository. When the prompt appears, paste in the GitHub repository URL you copied in the previous step. Cursor will then begin cloning the repository, which means it downloads a local copy of the project files to your computer. This gives you a working version of the code that you can inspect, edit, and run as needed. Once the cloning process is done, open the project workspace in Cursor. At this point, you can review the code structure, browse through files, and get familiar with how the project is organized. You can also use the integrated terminal to run commands, install dependencies, or start the local development server if your project requires it. This is the stage where local development really begins, and Cursor gives you the flexibility to work directly with the code in a much more hands-on way. That's it. You've now exported your Lovable project to GitHub, cloned it into Cursor AI, and opened the workspace for local development.